Finally, in this section is reminders. This is an area where you can create reminder rules for the services that need to be routinely performed on your vehicles. You can find a report that shows you what services are coming due, and you can also easily track your maintenance history. New to the next version of the software being released will be some additional features that allow you to import maintenance history as well, and also to add costing information in this section. That allows you not only to keep a record of your maintenance history, but also of your maintenance costs right within your GPS tracking application.